Okay, here's a walkthrough. Here's where the two power walls are going to go. They'll be on the floor, and then the power will be run over to this conduit, and through this conduit it will go to a sub panel that's being fed via the main panel here, and this is going in the attic all the way across, mounted in the attic. It's coming down here, and then it's going underneath the raised floor. Okay, so we'll take a quick look at the sub panel over here. So these, per plan, are where the inverters were installed. And the circuits for the PV are here, and the circuits for the battery system will be here, and there'll be a transfer switch, so then when the system goes offline, essentially, we'll be able to utilize the battery. That's the whole reason it was in the plan and approved to be in the plan that way. So I'll walk over to the panel itself so you can see how that's fed.